If you love to organize all of the small things in your life, or maybe you make your own products at home for a small business, this is a 100 count set of 2-ounce plastic jars with lids that are sure to help.
Each jar is about 5.2 centimeters in diameter and 4.3 centimeters tall, holding 2 ounces. They are compact but still roomy enough for creams, balms, or small supplies. And the lids screw on securely to create a tight seal. They are designed to be leak resistant and airtight, which helps protect whatever you store inside. They work really well for storing cosmetics like lotions, creams, body butters, or even homemade sugar scrubs. But they also are really useful for organizing small items like beads, glitter, rhinestones, spices, or other DIY supplies so everything stays neat and easy to find. The compact size makes them convenient for travel or for separating products into smaller portions. Now, these should be hand wash only because they are not dishwasher or microwave safe.
So if you're in need of a large quantity of small clear jars, these are a wonderful choice. They seal really well. They're going to help keep you organized, and they're going to be perfect regardless of how you use them. They are such a practical option. I think you guys would love them.